What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we will be making one of my favorite recipes. Not only is it filling and high in protein, but tastes amazing. Let's be honest, guys, we all love our chicken fried rice, but the ones you get at the restaurant, the amount of oils they use and the carb to protein ratio, the end product might taste great, but what's it doing for us? Exactly, not much. But today we're gonna change that. So without further ado, let's jump into the chicken fried rice recipe. And like always, the calorie and the macronutrient breakdown will be mentioned at the end of the video. Alright guys, start off by taking 350 grams of cut boneless and skinless chicken thighs. To that, we're going to add salt to taste, half a teaspoon of chili powder and turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and coriander powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, and finally 60 grams of curd. Let's go ahead and mix everything up and set the marination aside for about 20 minutes. Then to a pan, add 7 grams of oil and throw the marinated chicken into it and cook on medium flame till it's done. Once the chicken is all cooked and is at a consistency of your liking, set it aside and take another pan and add 7 grams of oil to it. As the oil heats up, let's go and add 1 large onion chopped and saute it for a couple of minutes. We will then add 2 to 3 chopped green chilies and 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and continue sauteing it until the onions turn translucent. Next, we'll add 50 grams of chopped carrot and green beans and cook till the raw smell of the vegetables fade away. After that, what I did was I moved the veggies to one end of the pan and added 1 whole egg and 2 egg whites into the pan along with some salt and pepper. Once everything is cooked, we will go ahead and set the flame on low and add the cooked chicken along with 320 grams of cooked rice. And last but not the least, we will add 1 tablespoon of low sodium soy sauce and give it a good mix. And there you go, guys. Delicious chicken fried rice is all set to be devoured. Now for the calorie and the macronutrient breakdown. If you made the recipe exactly like how I made it, then the entire recipe is about 1,178 calories, of which 116 grams are carbs, 35 grams of fat, and 95 grams of protein. Now you can divide this entire recipe into 2 servings, and each serving will be about 590 calories, of which 58 grams are carbs, 18 grams are fat, and 47 grams are protein. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and also consider subscribing to the channel, and I will see you in the next video.